How to turn off notification on Twitch. Are guys facing issue to turn off notification on Twitch application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. In order to turn off notification on Twitch application, head over to the Twitch application on a mobile device. Once you open the app, just simply log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, head over to your profile icon. Once you tap on it, you can see the settings. Just simply tap on it. After you click on settings, you can see multiple options at this section. Just simply head over to notifications. After you click on notification, it will take some time to load up. So you are looking to turn off notification, right? Just simply toggle this option over here, Smart Delete With. Once you turn it off, you won't get notification from Twitch. Or if you want to turn it off manually, just simply head over to all notification and turn this section off. And that's it guys, that's how we're going to turn off notification on Twitch. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.